Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches the first phase of Soni irrigation project by releasing water from dam gates in Jamnagar. Project to mitigate the problem of water scarcity in Saurashtra region of Gujarat. 12,000 crore rupees initiative aims to fill 115 irrigation dams of all the 7 districts of Saurashtra with surplus Narmada water. Soni irrigation project will make every Gujarati proud, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Addressing public meeting after the launch, PM says farmers from any part of India can do wonders if they get water. Government targets 5 crore gas connections by 2019, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Speaking at launch of Soni irrigation project in Jamnagar, PM says in Uttar Pradesh, 45% of people who got gas connections under Ujjwala schemes are Dalits. India and US holds second strategic and commercial dialogue in New Delhi today. The dialogue to review implementation of various decisions taken during previous summit. Summit being co-chaired by the visiting US Secretary of State John Kerry, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj and Commerce and Industry Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Earlier, Union Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitharaman invites US investors to Make in India at the US-India CEO Forum. Sitharaman and US Secretary of Commerce Penny Pritzker meet for strengthening India-US economic ties. India and the United States sign an agreement allowing use of each other's land, air and naval bases for repair and resupply. Welcoming the bilateral agreement on logistics exchange, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar and US Defence Secretary Ashton Carter say the pact will facilitate opportunities for practical engagement. Union Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Naidu said Swachh Sarvekshan will be undertaken to create awareness amongst youth towards Swachhata mission. Workshops and training sessions will be conducted for toilet construction. Rath Yatra to be carried out across 9 cities for 52 days. Visiting Myanmar President pays homage to fallen heroes at India Gate War Memorial in New Delhi. Kwa, accompanied by his wife, laid a flower wreath at the memorial. This is Kwa's first overseas visit after assuming the top office. Home Ministry is preparing ground for the visit of all party delegation on August 4th and 5th. According to senior officials of MHA, it has already requested the political parties to send the name of their representatives for the delegation. It is expected that a 40-member delegation could go to J&K. Delhi High Court issues notices to Delhi government and municipal corporations over rising cases of dengue in the city. Hearing on September 7. Staff of the US and Chinese embassies urgently been evacuated after a suicide blast was reported in Kyrgyz capital Bishkek. The area where the explosion occurred is cordoned off. A car rammed the gates of the Chinese embassy and exploded. 1 person killed and several wounded. In the US Open tennis tournament, India's Saket Mainini loses his debut Grand Slam match in a 5-set clash against world number 49 Jiří Veselý of Czech Republic in first round. Top seeds Novak Djokovic and Spaniard Rafael Nadal win their respective first round matches with ease.